Okay, so here is the tour of our RV. I'm coming up the stairs into part of the kitchen, and here is a lovely refrigerator, regular full-size refrigerator, and there is my microwave and my island sink. And over here is our dining table that opens up to expand for 6 chairs if you wanted to. And I'm going to pan over here to our lazy boy chairs and our sofa and our models. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
There we go. And here's our nice big television. And then we'll go back here. Oh, and we have a lovely desk area where Brian works every day. And I have a lovely oven that I can cook stuff in if I so desire. And there is my nice big counter with my double sink. Now we're going to turn this way, and we're going up another 3 stairs into the hallway that goes into the bedroom with a nice big queen-size bed. See? And there's my books. There's my trailer life on the bed. And there is the double doors. Those are my closets. And this is Brian's closet. Then over here we have more cabinets and another television. There. And now I'll show you the bathroom. We come out of the bedroom. See, this looks into the salon again. Now we come into the bathroom. No, not exactly totally neat, but we have this nice cabinet. There are my washers and dryers. So normally the doors would be closed, but I wanted you to see what it looked like. So there is a nice, nice neat closet. Then here is the shower. It's nice and plenty of room for whatever you need to do in the shower. And here is our vanity. It's not big, but you know what? It does what you need to do. So that is our new home. So I hope that it gives you an idea of our spacious living. That's it.